I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in YAPYAP. So first you want to run the game and you want to make sure Steam overlay is enabled. So you can click on Steam from the top left, go to settings, scroll down and click on the in-game tab. And from here make sure to turn on enable Steam overlay while in-game and check the shortcut here so that you can use it later to toggle the overlay. Now you want to launch the game again if it is already running. And in game, you want to press the play button and then load into the lobby. Now, once you're in the lobby, you can invite your friends from your friend list, or you can walk here to this room and interact with the Ponder R by pressing E. This should automatically open up the Steam overlay for you. And from there, you can basically invite your friends by right-clicking on your online friend that owns the game and right click and click on invite to game or invite to play together, and that should send them an invite. You can only invite 4 friends because the max for co-op is 5 players including you and 4 other players. The invitations are only possible through your friends list, so you will be only able to invite your friends from your friend list. There is no public lobbies or sessions available currently. Once your players join you, they can simply go to the friend list. Once they receive a message, they can press the join button to join you, or if they see you online in the game, they can right click and press join game. And once you're all in, you can walk up here and interact with this orb. And this should start a countdown teleport and takes you to the actual game level where you can start playing. And once you're there, you won't be able to invite, or other friends won't be able to join you. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.